Hi, my name's John. We're here in sunny East Yorkshire. We're going to show you a new and improved K9 Turf installation.
Hi, I'm Simon at K9 Turf. I'm one of the surveyors. We're here at a new installation. As you can see, we've stripped off the old turf, ready for the new hardcore base. The drainage base that we use is a 20mm clean limestone. Now the 20mm clean limestone has been compacted. It's ready for a 6mm clean filtered limestone, which is the top base. This will go over the 20mm to smooth it out and create a slight camber on the lawn to help the water to disperse. Now the drainage base is ready, we can install the new and improved K9 Turf with a double C-shaped yarn. So, what do you think, John?
Another perfect K9 installation by the team, but as you can see, in East Yorkshire, the rain's back again. But any more information, www.k9turf.co.uk.